Hello everyone! Let's hide some gifts in a real can. You can take any canned food and turn its can into a fun and unexpected gift box. Or use it to hide your valuables. First we need some canned food, ideally with a pull tab like this one. And then we need a can opener that cuts with smooth edges. And then we open the bottom of the can with it. And here you can see that the bottom has a nice and even edge. Let's remove the food and have it as a snack later. It's time to wash the inside of the can and the bottom too. Once everything is clean and dry, we can fill the can with whatever we want. To close the bottom, I'm using this liquid glue with gel-like consistency. Most liquid glues will work for this task. Just apply a thin layer around the edge of the bottom lid. It's enough if the layer of glue is really thin, because I think I used a bit too much here. So let's put the bottom back on the can. Press it down nicely and remove the glue from the edges. I use my fingers for this, but a tissue would also work. To let it dry, I'm placing a heavy book on top, and I recommend at least 1 hour of drying time. Also, it would probably be better to put some plastic foil, like a sheet protector, between the book and the gluey can, so that this doesn't happen to you. I'm removing some glue rests so it looks clean and unsuspicious, and then we're done. Now you have a can full of surprises. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.